This recording is going to explain how to import the EcoInvent database into OpenLCA. So let's start by opening the OpenLCA program. It takes a few minutes to load. This is version 1.3.4. Things might change in the future with newer versions, but it should be up to date for this particular version. Alright, the program is now open. First, you would like to create a MySQL connection, but I've already done that. You would originally do it by clicking New MySQL connection. I'm going to connect to the one I currently have. Alright, I have one database already in here, but we're going to import the EcoInvent again just to show you. So initially we need to create a new database. I'm going to call this EcoInvent 2_1 2, and make sure it's complete reference data. You want that to be imported with this new database. That's things such as units and flow properties and such. It'll take just a moment. Alright, now we have the database here. So what we want to do is import the files into that, and we're going to import a EcoSpold1 format. I got to it by right-clicking on the database and going over to this. So you're going to want to navigate to the directory in which your databases are stored or saved. And there's several different versions as I got them from EcoInvent. The ones you want, or the ones I like to use, are the ones that are raw, ones that have the processes linked, and they're best. So there's several different versions. You have to import 2 different times. I'm going to do the multi-output process infra raw first. So I'm going to click on that and hit OK. You then need to click on one of these XML files and then hit Control A, selecting all of them, and then click Next. These unit conversions should be fine. Typically they populate by themselves. If you have something such as a USLCA database, you might have to do some conversions. Click OK. After letting the database load for a few moments, you will have it loaded into your program, and you can see by clicking the caret here that you have some different folders. You might check to make sure that they are populated by clicking on one of these and seeing that they're actually here in the database. And you go to inputs and outputs, you'll notice there is data here. So this was part of the data that we needed. Now we need to go and import again the rest of it. So I'm going to choose this and import from the folder I have it on. It is going to be this one right here. Alright, so now that I've clicked on the right folder, it populates this area with files, and we select all and click Next, and it'll take a moment to load. After it loads for a moment, you'll see this Assign Units page, and everything should be okay, so click Next, or Finish, select Processes, and OK. And then it'll load a bunch of XML files again, and that'll take a few moments. Great. The second database that we imported is now here. You'll notice that we have quite a few more different processes. You can see there's quite a lot more here. It's a full EcoInvent system. So now we've got the processes and the lifecycle inventory of all these different materials and services. We need to import the methods, so the impact system methods, which will then be located here. To do that, we will click again on the EcoInvent database we're working in and import the EcoSpool. So we will, just like before, navigate to the right folder and list the impact assessment methods. Click OK. And you see here we have quite a few. I'm going to pull them all in and just click one, Control A, selecting them all, and then next. It'll search for units. You might have to correct some of those in certain databases, but with EcoInvent it should be fine. That's what it seems to check out. And then click Finish. And it takes a few moments to load. Once letting the lifecycle impact assessments load, you will notice that they are now located in the LCIA methods folder. So now you should have both processes that have multi-outputs using allocation, and then also you should have single output processes all listed within these folders. And that is it.